The SSV Works universal Bluetooth audio system delivers clear, powerful sound from a compact rocker switch style controller that tucks neatly into a dash or console. Its built-in 4-channel amplifier provides enough power for multiple speakers, and the external amplifier outputs make it easy to expand with additional speakers or a dedicated subwoofer. The weather-resistant design and sealed backlit buttons hold up well to dust, mud, and rain, making it a strong choice for off-road vehicles, boats, and open side-by-sides. Bluetooth connectivity lets you stream music wirelessly from a phone while still offering simple physical controls for volume, track changes, and source selection. The plug-and-play wiring harness greatly simplifies installation, so many do-it-yourself users can get it up and running without cutting or splicing factory wiring. Overall, this system offers a thoughtful balance of durability, clean audio performance, and easy expansion for riders who want serious sound without a bulky head unit.